side Jyoti from SkyySkill Academy. This product will be helping students to understand about the EV powertrain system, like how the controller, how the motors, how the each and every parts of the EV workbench will be working. Here, as per the college, we have given a load putting instrument in the differential, like the loads will be monitored by this analog meter. Additionally, also if you have seen, we have this IoT panel which is been they are developed for like level 1 of ADAS system, like you can operate through the phone systems. The obstacle measuring system, like if anything comes in front of it, automatically it will be start shouting and applying the brake. So here you have a touch HMI display. Here the cell performances, battery performances, everything will be measured and it will be displayed in it. Also here we have used a active balancing circuit where each and every cell automatically they will be getting balanced. These components generally comes with all the components that is mounted in the board, and along with the controllers, instrument cluster, motor, how they work, what is the voltage input, what is the voltage output, they can measure in it. As you can see, this is totally a customizable for the client. If you have an idea about to customize or have your own product, we are the one who can develop for you, and we can do R&D along with you.